Chronixx, born Nicholas Christopher Jameel Barrett on October 10, 1992, in Kingston, Jamaica, is a prominent figure in the reggae and dancehall music scene. At 31 years old, he has made significant strides in his career, becoming a leading voice in the modern reggae revival. Known for his conscious lyrics and unique sound, Chronixx has captivated audiences worldwide, earning him a dedicated fan base and critical acclaim. While details about Chronixx's personal life are often kept private, he has been linked romantically to the talented singer and songwriter Kelsey Montague. Their relationship has been a subject of interest among fans, with both artists often supporting each other's careers. Although they have not publicly confirmed any marriage plans, their bond reflects the deep connection that often exists between artists in the vibrant Jamaican music scene. Chronixx's lifestyle embodies the essence of reggae culture, blending traditional values with modern influences. He often speaks about the importance of authenticity, family, and community, which are themes that resonate in his music. His public persona is characterized by a laid-back demeanor, showcasing a blend of humility and confidence. Despite his fame, Chronixx remains grounded, often engaging with his fans through social media and sharing glimpses of his daily life, which includes a strong focus on personal development and social activism. In terms of net worth, estimates suggest that Chronixx's wealth is between $1 million and $3 million, largely derived from his successful music career, tours, and endorsements. His rise to prominence began with the release of his EP, Chronicles, in 2017, which showcased his versatility as an artist. Hits like Likes and Skankin' Sweet catapulted him into the limelight, solidifying his status as a top-tier reggae artist. He has since performed at numerous international festivals, further expanding his reach and influence in the music industry. Chronixx's music career is marked by a commitment to preserving the roots of reggae while infusing contemporary sounds. His style seamlessly blends elements of dancehall, hip-hop, and reggae, making his music appealing to a diverse audience. With a rich catalog of songs, including Smile Jamaica and Black is Beautiful, Chronixx addresses social issues, cultural pride, and personal experiences, resonating deeply with listeners. His collaborations with other notable artists, such as Protoge and Jesse Royal, have also contributed to the reggae revival movement, encouraging a new generation of musicians. In addition to his musical achievements, Chronixx is known for his philanthropic efforts. He actively supports various charitable initiatives, focusing on education and community development in Jamaica. His influence extends beyond music, as he uses his platform to advocate for positive change and uplift his community. In summary, Chronixx's journey is a testament to the power of music in transcending boundaries and fostering connections. As he continues to evolve as an artist, his age, lifestyle, and values reflect the spirit of a generation seeking authenticity and purpose in a rapidly changing world. With a promising future ahead, Chronixx remains a pivotal figure in the landscape of reggae and dancehall music,